So this is a follow-up video on the shortening of the brackets for the 38 Chevy. If you've not seen that video, and link in the description below, or just comment and I'll shoot you that link over if you want to see it. But this is the shortened brackets we made. Wire brush is all I'm going to do to these brackets here to prep them for powder coat. Because powder coat, you don't have to sandblast. It does bond good to sandblast it, but you can use sandpaper and wire brush too. So once you get them wired brush and stuff and everything's cleaned up, you want to preheat them. A lot of people don't do that, but it's best on this stick of metal to preheat it. So go ahead, if you're powder coating this, preheat your oven for about 15 minutes at 350 degrees for now. And heat this up and use grubs. So that's what we're going to do. This is pretty much the piece. We are preheating it for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. That helps get rid of any oils or stuff that might be trapped inside the metal. And you know, it's good to preheat thick parts like this, intakes and stuff, as it helps the powder coat stick to it. So we preheat this and I shoot it with some powder and I show you what it looks like baking it. It's the first coat of powder. That's probably all we will need, since we preheated this piece before spraying it, and we got all nooks and crannies good. But if you're worried about it, you can pull it back out and pre-check it before it fully rolls out and coat it again with a second coat, and then put it in and finish baking it for a full time amount. But all in all, it looks great. I'm going to let this bake for 20 minutes at 400 degrees, and then we pour it out and see what they look like. This is the brackets and what they turned out. They look pretty decent for, you know, brackets. They actually look really good. You know, besides decent, they look pretty damn good. They will be installed on the coupe, well, the sedan. Don't know why I call it a coupe, but will be installed on the sedan after we get the tail panel painted. If we can't find a good paint to match, it's what we're having trouble with. It was painted 20 some years ago. If we can't find a good variant to match with, to blend it, we'll probably have to paint the whole car. It's just one of them things you gotta deal with 20-year-old paint on a classic car. Hopefully we find some in the coming days. So if you enjoyed this video, drop me a like. Sure, hit that subscribe button. And, you know, leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching.